Hi everyone, welcome back to TastyIrshad with a new and delicious recipe. Today we will roast the lamb in the oven, so are you ready? Let's go to the recipe. Salt the meat and smear it with oil. Add garlic, ghee or butter, rosemary. Around the meat, put onion and carrot. Pour water. Put aluminum foil, put it in the oven at 180-75 minutes. Pour the rice with lukewarm water. And the meat is baked for 75 minutes. At 180 degrees. Turn the meat over. Put the foil back on and bake for another 45 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for about 30 minutes. Turn the meat. Pour the rice around the meat and bake for another 45 minutes. The meat was roasted for a total of 3 hours and 15 minutes. That's it. Your delicious lamb is ready to eat. Feel the taste. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your meal and keep supporting us. For next video, click here.